Do you remember that scene from Terminator 3?
Talk to the hand.
Well, I immediately thought of a robot hand with voice control. Since I still had an adaptive gripper from AliExpress lying around, I used it as a starting point for my design. The gripper from AliExpress is a copy of the FESTO gripper. Like the tail fin of a fish, the structure with the so-called fin ray effect doesn't bend away when pressure is applied to the side, but curves around the pressure point. The stepper motor doesn't have a closed loop control. Precise knowledge of the motor position is only possible if the motor never loses steps. Since there is no space for an encoder, I wanted to have at least a defined homing position. I achieved this using a photo interrupter, for which the two 3D printed parts are intended. The mounting platform was designed in Inkscape and laser cut from 3mm aluminum sheet by a company. Unfortunately, I don't have a laser cutter yet. The holes for the photo interrupter holder were drilled afterwards, after I had secured it in the correct position using double-sided adhesive tape. The speaker, the Arduino Uno, the slide potentiometer and the speech recognition module were mounted off camera. The shield you see here was designed by me. In addition to the user interface consisting of a 128 by 32 I2C OLED and 5 push buttons, it also houses a TCM2210 silent stepper motor driver and a FRAM chip for storing the gripper's learned positions. This is a resistive thin film pressure sensor. It can sense static and dynamic pressure at high response speed. Let me demonstrate that briefly. These pressure sensors mimic receptors on the skin that are responsible for the sense of touch. To make the pressure sensor more sensitive, I applied double-sided foam adhesive tape to the back. Since wiring is boring, I did the rest of camera beforehand. To protect the underside, I eventually added a laser-cut acrylic glass cover. The next step was to program the robot, but since it's boring to watch too, I will spare you the details.
You're welcome to use the voice recognition assistant.
The opening angle of the gripper can be adjusted using the sliding potentiometer. In addition to a hardware low-pass filter, I have also implemented one in the software. The position of the motor and the value of the pressure sensor are shown on the display. Now we are teaching the robot to hold a raw egg. Pressing the OK button saves the motor position and the pressure sensor value in the FRAM, and the robot enters the voice assistant mode.
Hello robot.
Yes, I'm here.
Open.
Okay, got it.
Stop.
Okay,
Close.
done.
Stop.
Doing it.
Open.
Doing it.
Egg.
Okay, got it.
Hello robot.
Yes, I'm here.
Open.
Done.
The DFRobot offline speech recognition module has 121 fixed commands and 17 commands that the user can train the module to recognize. The recognition rate is extremely good. There are endless possibilities. For example, you could use a robotic hand to control all kinds of things in the household. You don't need to turn on the microwave, for example, if you have a voice assistant that can do it for you in addition to the robotic hand.
I'm off now.